Oh my god, you guys! Look what came in of me! We have the Grwm Cosmetics Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Pure Kit. Okay, let's open. Oh my god! So, eto siya. Wow! Oh my god! And we have a huge mirror, you guys! Meron din tayong It's a Swatch party. Alright! So, okay, nabis muna ako ng very slight. I hope you don't mind. Nakaganito yung hair ko kasi sobrang init dahil. I can't. So, iisa-isahin natin ang laman ng Pure Kit. Unahin natin dun sa mirror so we can use it right away. So, then, merong sticker ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics over here. It's a very nice mirror. Oh my god. Oh, ito yung expiration date stickers. Ito pala yung itsura niya, day. And we have more stickers here. Next is ito. It's a Swatch party. Smart Swatch. Ano yun? Okay. Sticker to, tapos idikit mo ng ganyan, tapos gaganunin mo yung product, tapos tanggalin mo yung sticker. So, alam mo yun? So, yung shape ng swatch ng lipi mo is ganito, depende on your sticker. Okay. Of course, guys, the moment we've all been waiting for! So, eto yung main PR box. And then, sa likod, yung parang overview ng products. So, ito yung mga shades. We have 6 shades. By the way, ang product pala na i-highlight natin for today is called the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Milk Tint Volume 1. Meaning, pwede pa magka-Volume 2, 3, so on and so forth. And we love that! Ayan, Milk Tint Volume 1. So, parang siyang libro no? Encyclopedia, ganun. So, the Milk Tint is a long-lasting, hydrating, multi-use cream that you can use on your lids, on your cheeks, and lips. It has a velvety matte finish with a little bit of sheen for that extra glow. Pwede ka daw gumamit ng brush, ng makeup sponge, or your fingers to apply the milk tints. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. Take note, guys, this is made in the Philippines. Okay, so open na natin. So we have here an information card. Mga milk tints ay lightweight, buildable, long-lasting, blendable, and pigmented. And you guys, meron siyang shea butter, macadamia oil, and vitamin E, and 249 pesos only. So, kuha tayo ng isa. So, ito yung packaging dito sa gilid, yung parang shape ng mismong product. And then, merong how to use, merong ingredients, manufacturing date, and expiration date. And yeah, actually kompleto lahat ng information. And then over here sa taas, yung shade name. So, eto na siya, guys. So, nag-open pa ako ulit ng isa. And iba-iba pala yung parang dito, parang pattern dito. Oo, probably based on the shade. Alright guys, so eto na silang lahat. Hope you don't mind, I'm going to swatch it based on color family. And I based the color family channeling dun sa packaging So we have here yung parang nudie orangey, and then we have the pinky. Ayan, and then we have the deep, the reds or the berries or something. Binasi ko lang siya doon sa packaging. I'm not sure if yung color family selection na ginawa ko tama. But whatever. Let's do this. So the first shade that we have is called Winter Melon. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng squishy tube. Okay guys, so this is one layer of Winter Melon. Sorry kung nag-iiba-iba yung lighting natin. I'm using natural lighting. Ayan siya. So this is Winter Melon on my lips na one layer. And then blurred out or blended out. Very, very careful lang kayo mag-squeeze, guys, ha? Kasi may tendency siyang, alam mo yun, tumalon or something. So this is Winter Melon in full pack color. So Winter Melon is like peachy, orangey on the nude lighter side. Next shade natin is called Okinawa. So this is Okinawa, you guys, and para siyang, tama ba? So dapat ba sinama ko siya dito sa mga reds? Pero parang partner din naman siya nito ni Winter Melon because it has like a, ako lang to base lang sa nakikita ko it has parang a brownish undertone, alam mo yun? Hindi siya may milk tea. Parang watermelon-y. So this is Okinawa na one layer, and it's like your lips but better. This is the perfect your lips but better pag one layer siya. So this is Okinawa in full pack color, 2 layers na ito, fully covered na yung lips, and yeah, nag-deepen up lang yung your lips but better shade. And ito pala siya as a blush. I forgot to swatch it as a blush. And it's very, very pigmented, you guys. Pero feeling ko lilitaw ito kahit na morena ka. Pero magiging super pak na pak to if you're like on the lighter or medium to light skin tone. So be very careful in squeezing out the product and then blend it really perfectly para hindi ka mukhang sinapak o sinampal. Pakita ko pala sa inyo si Winter Melon if ginamit nyo as a blush, girls. Oh my god, guys. Be very careful talaga. Pigmented siya, dye, as a blush dye. A little goes a long way, dye. Si Okinawa, more on the reddish blush. And then si Winter Melon, ayan, peachy, corally. Pero I like Okinawa better on the lips. Kasi para talaga siyang your lips are better. Now let's go to the pinky one. And the first shade I'm going to swatch is called Cheesecake. So if you want a nude effect, one layer of cheesecake is perfect. But it's not my cup of tea kasi in person dahil one layer lang siya, mukha akong putla. Mukha lang akong anemic, guys. So ito siya, si cheesecake, one layer. Alright guys, so ito si cheesecake in 2 layers, and ito, perfect ito as a nude lippy. Halata na siya as a nude lippy. Hindi ka na mukhang maputla, mukhang ka talaga na dyang nude lippy. And then, ito si cheesecake as a blush. It's quite lighter than the first two, pero pinky-pinky nga siya. And I think itong si cheesecake yung perfect if you want a subtle, natural-looking blush na, alam mo yun, parang you blushed from within. Ano siya, warm, pinky, with a little bit of brown undertone para sa akin bakit sa nakikita ko. I might be wrong. I'm sorry, May, if I'm wrong in describing the colors or the shades. The shade that we have is called Fruit Tea. Again, this is Winter Melon, Okinawa, Cheesecake, and then Fruit Tea. Eto si Fruit Tea, it's like, in person it's like pink, pero papasa rin siya na may pink, red, orange. Papasa rin siyang kamag-anak nito ni Winter Melon. It's like a summery color, like a pop of color. So, eto siya, one layer on the lips. It's not my favorite kasi dahil medyo bright siya. Parang halata yung mga dark lines ko pa din. So, might as well put on 2 layers para kita mo talaga yung, ano mo yun, na meron kang lippy. Okay, let's go for 2 layers. Again, this is 1 layer. So, this is for tea in full pack color, and it is way better. Halatang halata siyang pop of color on your lips, and it's a perfect shade for the summer kasi parang nakaka-brighten Kasi parang nakaka-brighten siya ng overall aura mo. Again, this is Fruity. And as a blush dye, eto si Fruity. Medyo hawigan siya ni Okinawa when it comes to the intensity. Pero more on parang brownie red. Eto si Okinawa. Eto naman is pink, orange, and red. And then eto siya in full pack color on your lips. Papunta na tayo sa mga deep shades, and feeling ko lang deep shades. I feel like let's go for this one first, and this is called Mixed Berries. Yum yum. Alright guys, so ito ang one layer ni Mixed Berries, and this is the perfect parang lip tint effect lang. And this is something na iganun-ganun mo lang, and then you're good to go. Pero, my God, look at that solid color. And ito pala siya as a blush. It's very, very bright. It's really, really gonna pop on your cheeks. Ito pala yung difference niya sa iba kapag ginawa siyang blush. Fruity is my thing. Fruity is deeper in person than on camera. Yeah. Sa camera kasi parang ang bright-bright niya, pero it's deeper and sexier and really, really beautiful in person. My camera is not giving justice to the shade. Ay, ito, so far, this is the most striking shade. And the last shade, you guys, is called 100% Sugar. Which I rarely do pagdating sa mga milk tea. I go for 50 or 75. Sorry sa butchered swatch ko guys, but I hope you get an idea of the shade. Pero this is like brown sugar. It's like chocolatey with brown sugary. Alam mo yun? Alright guys, so ito si 100% Sugar on my lips, pero one layer lang. And then, ito siya as a blush. Pag ginamit mong blush, it's really deep, you guys. Try the full pack color. Careful, guys. Kasi may tendency na, dahil siguro sa air or something na pupasok sa tube, may tendency na tumalon siya. So, bago mo i-press ng ganon, idikit mo muna sa balat mo or something. So, this is 100% Sugar in full pack color, and I like it better in full pack color more than one layer lang. And parang nga siyang mala brownie, reddish, maroonish, but you know, not harsh looking or parang pang matanda looking, if you know what I mean. Again, this is brown sugar. Full pack color, 2 shades. And then, ito siya pag ginamit mo as a blush. Guys, recap tayo. We had Winter Melon, we have Okinawa, we have Cheesecake, Fruity, we have Mixed Berries, and then we have 100% Sugar. Ito naman sila as a blush. Ito si Okinawa. Ano pagpalit ko? Okinawa, and then Winter Melon, Cheesecake, Fruity, Mixed Berries, and 100% Sugar. For the eyes, gusto ko lang medyo subtle. So, I think for the eyes, I think I'm going to use Cheesecake. For my blush, dahil gusto ko gamitin si Mixed Berries, I think ang welcome partner, ang papasang pwede ng partner niya is this one. Si Fruity. Natin kung magsiset siya on the skin pag hindi ko pa siya ginagalaw agad. Ayan, hindi siya nag-set. Very good. Buildable siya dahil ha, so careful tayo. Slowly but surely lang ang lagay. I love it. It is super duper blendable. And it does have a little bit of sheen. For the lips, mixed berries tayo. So here is our final look for today. Okay guys, so what are my honest thoughts, okay? For 249, super duper sulit na niya. Highly recommended na siya para sa akin. Kasi una sa lahat, ang ganda ng formula niya, ang ganda ng blendability niya, ang ganda ng pigment, ang ganda ng color selection, ang ganda ng packaging, ang ganda ng concept in general. Super duper sulit na yan for 249. Now, I like the blendability, yung formula niya for the eyelids and for the cheeks. But honestly, I'm going to reach for these products as a blush more than panglagay sa lips. But it's not because of the formula, it's not because of the pigment or color selection, it's just because of the applicator. Well, kung gusto ko lang ng very quick tint, yes, I'm going to reach for this. Yung gaganunin ko lang. And then, I'm not gonna think about kung pantay ba or something like that pag nandito lang ako sa bahay. Kung gusto ko lang hindi magmukhang maputla ng mabilisan, i-reach ko talaga to. Pero kung gusto ko ng super duper precise application, like full pack color, medyo may hirapan ako kasi, kasi, you know, my fingers are so malaki. And yung lips ko parang meron siyang certain requirement na kailangan precise yung applicator. So, itong dalawang to, hindi tugma. Okay, my lips and my fingers. It's not the product. It's just that using fingers for the lips is a little bit of hassle for me. Lalo na kapag gusto ko ng full pack color precise application. Pero kung gusto ko lang ng, alam mo yun, tint lang na mabilisan, walang problema dito. Knowing me, knowing myself, my preference, I will definitely reach for these products as a blush and probably sometimes sa eyelids pag gusto ko lang ng shading lang na ganyan. Pero not so much on the precise, like structured application, alam mo yun. Anyway, all I'm trying to say guys is I do recommend itong products ni May because hindi lang dahil si May layog yun, hindi lang dahil kapwa ko siya content creator, and I'm really recommending this because maganda yung products. I really enjoyed applying it on my cheeks, on my lids, and eto nag-set na siya dye, oh. Naging ano na siya, parang mala powdery finish. Okay, so I'm going to wear mixed berries. Dagdagan natin ng konti itong video na to. Testingin na natin kung gaano siya tatagal for the entire day. Okay? But for now, you guys, ito yung ating swatches. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa swatches. So, ito na yung final thoughts ko. Abangan nyo na lang. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya ka-long-lasting for the entire day. Lalo na pagka kumain ka. And then, yeah. That's it. So, ito yung last part ng video natin. And eto na. Well, masasabi ko for a lip cream, medyo tumagal naman siya ng bonggang-bongga, lalo at oily, greasy yung kinain ko. Pero you have to take note na ito kasi si mixed berries, pigmented talaga to. Pati yung kulay niya. So, pag kayo mag-winter melon or cheesecake, most likely less yung matitirang product because light colors lang yung mga yon. May mas mabilis siya masyanggal. Lalo na dahil light lang yung pigment niya. Pero overall, I am very... Oh, nagtagal pala sa eyes ko. Ayan o. Nilagay ko yung milk tints ng mga 8:30. And right now, it's mag 2 o'clock na. So, how many hours na rin yun? Nagprito na ako in everything. So, again, congratulations kay May for launching your own line of makeup. And at the same time, guys, supportahan niyo si May. Because she deserves it. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea ano yung mga shades na mabibitan nyo. And yeah, I do recommend that you try it. I'm gonna link everything down below ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!